In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest method on how you can get USA audience on TikTok. Now, the title says TikTok, but this method works for Instagram and YouTube, basically any social media platform. I have been using this for the last 3 years, and the best part, this method can never be patched because this isn't some hack or trick that other YouTubers might show you. This will keep working as long as the internet is alive. I have showed this exact same method to thousands of members inside of my free Discord, and it works 100% of the time, and they have made a lot of money with it, which you can do too. Without further ado, let's get right into the video, and first I'm gonna show you everything that you're gonna need to do this. Now, I've seen many methods and a lot of people claiming that they have a secret method, yada yada, when in reality there is only one Sigma Wolf method.
If she has been through a lot has been through her.
Who are printing 5 to 10k per month are using. Some people claim that downloading TikTok mod APK and setting your location to USA is 100% working. Now, while it may work for a few posts or your first couple of posts, it's definitely not a good long-term solution, and it's not gonna work for the long term. Sooner or later, your page is gonna get cooked and your location is gonna get all fucked up. So I do not recommend using TikTok mod APK alone because your real IP is still exposed. Now, the second method, which I used about 1.5 years ago, and I even made a YouTube video about it, you can see it right here, it's the SIM card method. Now, don't use it, it's not the best one. Back then I used it, it kind of works, but it's really not the best one. I do not recommend it anymore at all. The SIM card costs like $20 to $30, and you need to buy a new one for every single phone, so the costs can stack up really quickly. And this one also is not 100% guaranteed to work. Sometimes it works, sometimes doesn't, so we want something that is guaranteed here. Now, the final and only method that I have been using forever, and it's going to continue working forever and ever and ever. This method can never be patched, simply as long as the internet is still alive as we know it today. Now, it's obviously the proxy method. Real quick, if you don't know what a proxy is, just Google it or ask ChatGPT. But it should be obvious that by changing your IP address, which is exactly what proxy does, would get you 100% USA viewers on the platform that you're posting, because the platform, for example TikTok, thinks that you are from the USA because you're posting with a USA IP. I'm not even gonna go into details about the other methods I mentioned or any other method, because honestly they all kneel compared to the proxy, which has been working 10 years ago and is gonna keep on working. So now that you know what is the one and only true method, let's get into the world of proxies and let me explain you how you can set it up easily. And of course, there are many nuances that you can learn, but you don't need to become an expert to simply get USA audience on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So I'm just gonna show you the basics and a little bit of expertise knowledge. Alright, here's exactly what you will need. Number one, a phone. This can be Android or iPhone. If you can choose, I highly recommend you use Android, as it's usually more secure from IP leaks. But if you only have iPhone, don't worry, it will also work. I'll show you how to do this from both type of phones. Number two, you're going to need a proxy app. You'll need a proxy app to connect to the actual proxy. I'll show you the best ones, and they're all free to use. And number three, of course, you're gonna need the actual proxy itself. I'll show you where to get the best and cheapest proxy, and also how to use it. Even a third grader is going to understand this. Before I show you how to set it up, first you will need to get a proxy. Now, just so you understand, an app is not a proxy. NordVPN is not a proxy. Super proxy is not a proxy. A proxy is a string of numbers that usually looks something like this. Sometimes it comes with a username and password as well. Proxy is basically an IP address that is different from your real one. And once you connect to this new proxy/IP, boom, TikTok now thinks that you are in another place in the world instead of your actual country. First of all, I don't care what anybody says. There is no such thing as a free proxy, same as there is no such thing as a free meal in life. If somebody is telling you that they know where or how to get a free proxy, and especially if they're trying to charge you for the information, 100% of the times it is not real. You should not trust it. You should not even use any free proxies because they are used, abused, and overall the best comparison I can give is Use Proxy is like that one who is going around all of the clubs in the city. But I mean the really bad one. It's like, no, I should not go with her. I'll probably catch something type of bad. That's why you should never use a free proxy. You're just gonna mess up your account and it's gonna be all bad. But of course, there is cheaper and more expensive options. The difference will be in quality. I'll show you how to get highest quality proxy for only $5 for the first month. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you where I have been getting my proxies for the last 2, 3, I think even 4 years. As some of you may remember, I also used to provide proxies for the community. I don't do it anymore. I'm just gonna reveal where I used to buy my proxies from and where I used to get them. So just sending you guys straight right to the plug so you can just go and get on your own. So the website is monsterlab.io. You want to go to this website, and some of you might already notice this is the website we are using also to submit videos when you're clipping for any of Clipit's campaigns. So just make a Monster Lab account if you don't have one already. And once you have made your account, you're gonna see this is the homepage, and this is where everything happens. And yeah, guys, these are the same proxies from the same provider that I've used to buy forever. Basically, now it's just on a website, so it looks more official, you know, but it's the same proxies. Some people on Discord might say, oh, you can find cheaper proxies. Yeah, well, go and then use them, you know, and then don't cry to me if your page is up. I'm showing you what I'm using, what works for me, and what works for the top clippers in Clipit. So if you want to use it, use it. If you don't want to use it, then don't. You know, I'm just showing you the information. So once you've made your account, you can get free $10 in your balance if this offer is not out yet. Maybe if you're watching this video like a year from now, this doesn't exist anymore, this free $10, but maybe it does. Who knows? Either way, what you want to do is head over right here, buy proxies. Click here, and here you can buy as many USA or UK proxies as you want. So for clipping, generally we want USA proxies. So just type in one USA proxy, for example, and click proceed. Maybe you want 2, 3, whatever. Type in the number. And here the most important thing is type in the code CLIPIT. This is going to give you a discount, and yeah, everything's good now. And you can pay with card, PayPal, I think no, but crypto as well, which is pretty cool function. Another thing really important to remember, if you don't want to lose your proxy, go right here, credit top up. And if you're using crypto, if you don't link your card to the website and it cannot auto subscribe, auto charge you every month for the proxy, then what you want to do is top up the balance on Monster Lab, add like $30 or $50, whatever, with crypto, just so you have the money sitting in there. And every month when it comes to the due date, when you have to pay for the proxy, the website can automatically charge your account so you don't run the risk of losing your proxy. Because if you don't pay for the proxy, you might lose it and you might not be able to get it back. So yeah, make sure you have some money on the account, or you link your card so it can automatically renew. All right, once you've got your proxy, you want to head over to assets and proxies right here. And this is where the fun stuff happens. This is where you can see your proxy that you have just purchased, and this is where you can edit your proxy. So this is going to come in hand in the next segment where I show you how to connect to the proxy using your phone. But all you need to know is that right here, port, this is the port. It's usually 5 numbers. This is the port right here. The domain is going to be same for all these proxies, p.monsterlab.io. Domain is going to be the same. It's host, server, domain. Call it what you want. Some apps call it differently, but basically, yeah, this is the thing you want to type in first. Then the app is going to ask you port. This is the next thing you want to type in. And then the username and password, which you can change by clicking here, edit proxy. And here you can type in your username and password. For me, it's blurred because I don't want to share my information with you guys. And another important thing is you can select HTTP or SOCKS. I personally just use SOCKS lately. It works good for me, no problems. But you can test both of these, and maybe if one doesn't work, test the other one. If the other one works without issues, then just use the one that works best for you. Like, don't overcomplicate it. If you're getting USA audience, then it works, and don't try to change something. But yeah, this is where you can change to HTTP or SOCKS and save details. You can change your username and password. And this is basically it. This is how you can purchase your own proxy. This is how you can change your username and password for your own proxy. And now I'm going to show you how to connect to your own proxy. So this is the most important part of this whole video. I'm going to show you step by step how do you actually connect the proxy you just bought on your Android or iPhone. Essentially, it's very easy. You just pick one app you want to use, try it, connect. If it doesn't work, try the other app. On some phones, some apps are going to work. On other phones, the same app might not work. That's what I've learned over the years. You just have to know the basics, what numbers you put where, and all the apps essentially are the same. So now first I'm going to show you how to prepare your iPhone and which app to use for it. And then I'm going to show you how to prepare your Android and the 3 best Android app options you can choose from. Watch carefully and rewatch again if you missed something. Take it slow so you fully understand and put the correct things where you need to put them. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go to settings and factory reset your iPhone. You want to erase everything and just delete everything, all the settings, everything. Erase iPhone. And when you're setting it up, just select English, select country, United States. Set up manually, connect to Wi-Fi. If you already have Apple ID, you can use that one and log in, or you can just click don't have Apple ID and set up later in settings. What I generally recommend is that you just log into the phone, set everything up, and then you can go into settings and create a new iCloud. You can use any country's phone number to make it, but when you're making it, you must select the country, the region, as United States. It's really gonna help. You can search on YouTube afterwards. There are multiple tutorials how you can set up your iCloud or change the country to United States. On iPhone, it's pretty important that your iCloud's country is United States. If you can't get it to work, well, don't worry. You can just go with the regular country that you have there. Alright, so once you've set up your iPhone, you want to go over to the App Store and download this app called V2Box. Open it up. Click Allow. This is important. Then click Consent. And now go to Configs. Click the plus icon. Add manual config and socks. And now type in all the details correctly from your Monster Lab account. This is where many people mess up and their proxy is not working and then they're crying. So make sure you go over to your Monster Lab account where you bought the proxy, and the host, the port, the username, the password, everything is correct, 100% correct. Once you've filled in the information, just click on Save and slide to connect, and it should connect without issues. Now open up Safari, go to mylocation.org. and you will be able to check if you are actually in the United States. If you are, well, congratulations. Now you can go over and download TikTok. And once you download TikTok, check if the For You page is showing USA videos. If it is, congratulations, you're ready to roll. So for Android phones, each phone is different, but generally it's all the same. If you need any help, just ask ChatGPT where to find each setting. But first you want to factory reset the phone. Go into settings, type factory reset, and reset the phone to factory settings. Same as we did on iPhone. Now, once you set it up, same as we did on iPhone, select the region UK or US, whichever country you want to target, and language obviously English. Connect to Wi-Fi. Skip the Google sign-in. And you don't want to agree to anything, just disagree and don't allow any permissions, nothing. Try to go with bare minimum, only the essentials that the phone needs. And skip this sign-in. Disable everything you can on the phone. Skip. You don't want the phone, Google, whatever, to find your location anyhow. Don't allow any location services, not Google location services, no, not even the phone's location services, nothing. All right, once you've set up the phone, now we have to choose which app we want to use. And for Android phones, it's generally recommended that you don't even set up your Google account. You simply download APKs, which you can download without setting up the Google account. So open up Google Chrome or whichever browser you have on the phone. And first app is Super Proxy APK. You can use any website to download the APK, APK Pure, Softonic, Up2Down, whichever website. Once you have downloaded the APK, install it. The second app is SocksDroid APK. Let's download this one as well. And the third option of the app which you can use is Tune to Tap. Alright guys, so for the first app, Tune to Tap, pretty simple. First, you skip the ads and then you have to choose which type of proxy do you have. So which type of proxy did you set in your Monster Lab account? I would recommend you try Socks Proxy first. They always work for me, but you can also try HTTP. It honestly doesn't really matter that much. Then the first two things, what you have to type is the name or the host, which is always going to be p.monsterlab.io for Monster Lab proxies. And then you type semicolon and then you type your port. And the port is the 5 numbers. This one is unique to you. So copy this one from your Monster Lab proxy dashboard. And then you click enable authentication and type in your username and password, which you can change to whatever you want, as I showed you previously in your Monster Lab dashboard. Then you click connect and boom, you're connected. So for Super Proxy, first you open up the app and you want to skip anything. Once you are in the app, click add proxy. You don't want to buy proxies, their proxies are shit anyways. Don't show this warning again. And here you can also choose if it's SOCKS or HTTP. You choose the one that you selected on your Monster Lab dashboard. Server, aka host, is the same, p.monsterlab.io. Port, the same as you have in your own proxy. And then the username and password, which you have put exactly the same as in every other app. Then you click the top right icon, save and connect, and boom, it's working. Alright, so inside of SOCKS Droid, the first thing you want to do is tap on the top right, the three dots, and click add new proxy profile or whatever it says. And once you get to this screen where it asks to put in your server IP, server port, and username and password, here the same exact things as in all the other apps, p.monsterlab.io, your port 5 numbers, and then your username and password, the same exact thing as all the other apps. And then you just switch on this little toggle, you toggle on and you are free to browse the World Wide Web without any restrictions, and as a brand new American. Enjoy it. Now that you understand how to generally set up proxy and trick TikTok into thinking that you are in the USA, let me share some random facts, tips, and tricks that might be useful for specific apps or specific problems you might encounter when using your proxy and trying to target USA audience. These are a couple little tricks that I've learned over the years, so they probably will be useful if you encounter any of these issues. Number one, YouTube doesn't need a proxy. As you should know already, Servios is forever broke, living in the trenches, and he doesn't care about selling you a proxy and making a few extra bucks. So I'll be real with you guys, and for YouTube, whenever you're clipping, you don't need a proxy. Just set up the YouTube account on whatever phone from whichever country you are. The most important thing, you must select your YouTube country in the United States or whichever country you're trying to target. And if your videos are in English and they're targeted towards English viewers, YouTube is going to push towards that audience, so you don't have to worry about using a proxy. Number two, sign up on TikTok/IG. Sometimes you might get errors when making a new TikTok/IG account, so here's a few fixes. If you get this error, maximum attempts reached, the first thing you want to do is clear cache, clear data of your TikTok app, and try to make a new profile with email again. If that doesn't work even after a few extra attempts, this method is 100% going to work. What you want to do when you get to the sign up page is click sign up with Google and just make a brand new TikTok account with Google. So what you want to do is simply make a brand new Gmail account with your proxy. You can also use a random email, but I recommend you make a USA Gmail account just for the safety of it. And then you just proceed to sign up with Google. 100% of the times TikTok is going to allow you to make a new account. And for Instagram, it's kind of a luck game. Sometimes you're going to be able to make a new account, sometimes not. You can also try the same trick, sign up with Facebook or other option if you cannot sign up with email on Instagram. But if that doesn't work, usually you can just buy an aged Instagram account, which is like $10, or you can also ask a friend in the USA to make you a new Instagram account and then post on it using a proxy. And the last case scenario, if you really are just tired and nothing works, you can just make an Instagram account without proxy and just log into it and start using it with proxy, and you're still going to be able to target USA after a little while. Tip number 3, turn on internet kill switch. This is going to prevent you from being a dumbass and trying to go into TikTok or accidentally opening TikTok, Instagram without the proxy on. It's not going to mess up your account. If you have internet kill switch on, what it does, it's going to disable internet connection if your phone is not connected to a proxy. So on each phone is different. You can ask ChatGPT, Gemini, how to turn on internet kill switch for your device. But essentially you just go into settings, VPN settings, and there you will see internet kill switch or whatever the option is called on your phone. Turn that on and you're good to go. And last one, number 4, imitate flight. So if you ever come to a scenario where you need to switch a proxy on your phone, what I usually do is just imitate flight. So how it works is you turn off Instagram, TikTok, you completely turn it off, stop the application fully in settings, then just turn on the airplane mode, wait like 10, 12 hours, maybe even 24 hours, depending on where your new proxy location is. After 12 to 24 hours, you can turn off the airplane mode on the phone and connect to your new proxy and make sure it's connected well. Then you can open up TikTok, Instagram again. What it does is basically it imitates that you've been on a flight and you've landed in a new location and your location has switched and TikTok, Instagram thinks it's normal and no suspicious activity. So that's it.